Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Just trying to fix one of these. I've had this for a little while and the battery's just flickering blue, and even when you plug it in, turn it on, it's got no power. And if you go online, you put in flickering blue, it says a few things. Could be dead battery, could be other things. So let's test it and see what's going on. See if we can find out what's wrong with it. So first things first, you want to check is see if you get any power to there, and that's easy enough to do. You just put in, you put your sorry about that, put your on volts DC, because your plugs, your charger will do it to DC. If inside it should be positive and your outside should be negative. I can get it in there. So 26.2 volts DC, that's plenty to charge a battery. So we know this from here to here, fine, no problems whatsoever. So the next thing to do, let me turn this off, pull this out of the way. Next thing to do would be to check the battery. I'll remove this, messy things these are. Should have cleaned it, but never will. Got a little screw there, you can see it. A small Phillips there. And then we've got to remove that one there as well. I can't read what that says because I'm blind as a bat. So hopefully you can. Ooh. There's the filter. And then there's another screw to this one here. I've never taken this off, so I did have someone put a battery in for me, but that's how easy it is to take the battery out. We've got two terminals there, but I'm more concerned with these two terminals, because if I connect power to there, these two terminals, then we know it's the battery. It's the battery. So I want to try and get this whole video done without editing anything out, because I'm a lazy bastard, as they say. So what was it, 25 volts, wasn't it? So if we turn it off for now, wind that right down. Putting two connectors on there. I don't think it matters too much. All this determines is what way the motor's going to spin. It's either going to suck or blow. There's the one people say. So we turn that up. Right, hold on a sec. I think this actually, you need something to push something in there. No, I'm not think we're getting anything. What I want to know is why. There we go. What did I do? Didn't do anything. I did not do anything, did I? All I done was put literally. I literally put the power on the motor. Maybe the motor was stuck, and that bit of power just right, it stopped again now. Right, that's it. I'm going to leave it. Let's see what happens if it works. Sorry about that, but yeah, let's just call this how to change the battery. Alright, just them 2 screws. So we'll call it how to change the battery. And if it goes wrong again, I'll so yeah, if you want to change the battery, would you believe that or what? I'd say it is the battery 40. We know the motor works for definite, so put that other screw back in, just in there. I thought this was going to be testing it for a new battery or a new motor. Looks like just that little bit of jolt of electricity. You know what it might have been? It might have actually been the terminals. Taking the battery in and out might have had corroded terminals. And that works fine. Right, how to change a battery on a Dyson V6. Boom. See you in the next one. Sorry, just a quick comeback. If your battery, if it does stop working and you've tried the lead, try taking the battery out and plugging it back in. Just sliding it in before you screw it back up. Just a couple of times, just to make sure it's not the terminals. That's what it must have been, corrosion on the terminals. Guaranteed. So, yep. Thanks very much. Please like and subscribe.